Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. You just saw the mood inspiration piece, and this is my completed layout. I do not have a process video. I do apologize. I just don't have the time right now to do a complete process video in editing, uploading, voiceover, and then uploading it to YouTube. For the last 3 weeks, I've been working extended hours. Then with school started back and the adjustment of my little guy partially in school and partially online, it's just been really, really tough, and I don't see that changing until after the first of the year. So I am going to have to come up with a different solution with my videos, because I definitely don't want to stop uploading them. I'm thinking about following my Mini Kit Monday friend Shannon that she's been doing lately, where she goes over the products and gives you her idea, and then she brings back her completed layout and then goes over it again, which is something that Janet over at RTS does. And I think Tracy's now doing that with Mini Kit Monday, and Becky does it sometimes with Mini Kit Monday. But for now, this is my completed layout. This green paper right here is from Photo Play, and it's called Set Cell. And this yellow paper here strip is from Simple Stories, and I don't know the collection. This was released in 2017. I don't know about that paper. It wasn't on the branding strip. And then this flower paper, I'm not sure what collection. It may be Simple Stories, I'm not sure, but the branding strip is right here, so the opposite side has the name of this paper. So don't quote me, I'm not really sure. I should have wrote it down. This strip of paper was cut 2 inches by 12. This one right here, this flower one that I don't know the name of, was cut 6 by 12. You can see the 6 mark line. Then I put my ribbon that was in with my kit, and then outside of my kit I added this 1/2 inch strip of paper, because I just like the rule of odds. I tried to make it 1, 2, 3 here using a washi tape, which was this one, trying to bring in the mint in these flowers, and it just didn't go well in the mint in here. It just kind of clashed with this. I love this branding strip, so it clashed with the branding strip. All right, in my kit I had these pre-made leftover flowers, which I used the Vicky Bouton stamp right here, this one. I love her designs and the details of her stamps, and but I don't like the quality, but I get it because they're not as expensive. I love my close to my heart ones. They stick, because this becomes very tricky after a while to get it to stick to your block. I normally will use some sort of adhesive, like tape. This is a chipboard button, and then I took some twine from my stash. I think this is from a Michaels pack, and that's the twine that I used. I have this 3x4 card. Could not tell you. It has been in my stash for a long, long time, and tucked it in right here. I had 4 photos put in with this kit. I didn't change them out. I did cut these photos down 2.5 by 2.5. This is the original 6x4. I have the yellow tab tucked in right here. There was this like street road type sticker. It was actually a banner sticker, and I fishtail banner sticker. Here's the bottom half, and I tucked it on the side. Tucked in another sticker here. I used my Nuvo drops in, what's this called? It is our Crystal Drops Mustard Gold. right there. Then we'll move to the next cluster here. So this was a heart in my stash, and by the quality of it, I'm pretty sure that is a Felicity Jane. Then I have this metal piece here, and that's been in my stash for a long time. And then I have another embellishment, which again I can tell by the quality it's Felicity Jane. It's not as thick as chipboard, but not as thin as regular die cut pieces. So that's that cluster there. Then we do have a chipboard here. I'm not sure where it came from. Again, I'm not sure where any of these chipboard pieces came from. This is a cutout from paper star, but this is chipboard, arrow, chipboard, chipboard. Then down here we move to my puffy sticker elements, and those are from Pink Fresh Studio, and it is Out and About. So that's that. So I made that cluster there. This little butterfly here comes from this little pack, and it is a Bella Boulevard. So I put that little butterfly right there, and that ends that cluster. And then for my final touch, I used some splatters. I was trying to bring in this, oh, I forgot about my rad, and this came from this pack, which is Genius Puffy Phrase Stickers from American Craft. And then for my final touch, I used the Dilution Tangerine Dream and added splatters here, which really blends well with this pattern paper. You can't hardly see it. You can see it up in here. And then my layout is complete. All right, be sure to check out Becky, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy. Their links are listed below to see what they created today. You may have already checked them out. My video is going up late today. If you have any questions, please leave comments listed below. And like I said, I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Keep coming back, and have a fabulous day. Bye.